So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. Next, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update Troubleshooter. You want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And then click on yes to run the Windows Update diagnostics. You want to follow all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.